Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free link in bio website using Beacons.ai. Whether you are a content creator, freelancer, a small business owner, this tool is perfect for organizing all your links and offers in on one place. Let's get started. Head over to beacons.ai .ai website and click start for free. Then sign up using your email, then complete your profile. Once you are signed in, you'll need to add your Instagram, YouTube, copy your YouTube link and paste here. Then next. That's me. Once signed in, you will be guided through a quick onboarding process. Next, choose the type of page you want. If you are just starting out, go with creator page, perfect for social bios, link trees, and promoting your content. Beacons works with blogs. Click the plus icon for add blog button to start adding content. Examples of useful blogs: link blog, add YouTube, TikTok shop links. Header text, add your name or slogan. Media blog, embed YouTube video, Vimeo video, Spotify tracks, payment blocks. Let fans send you tips or payments. Form block, collect emails. You can click any block to edit colors, icons, fonts, or layout styles to match your brand. Now let's make it your own. Go to the design tab. You can pick from built-in styles or use custom colors and backgrounds. You can even upload a profile picture and a background image. To go live, go to settings, and set your custom URL like beacons.ai slash your name, like that. Then once you are happy with your page, hit share page. Then copy your unique link from here. You can now paste it on your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or anywhere else your audience finds you. That's it. You now have a beautiful functional beacons link in bio page. It's a great alternative to Linktree and totally customizable. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creator tools. Drop your beacons link below. I would love to check it out. Thanks for watching.